visual. Extreme close-up on a child's hand scribbling furiously with a red crayon. The drawing looks like a chaotic mess of sharp lines and angry eyes. The music is dramatic and suspenseful.
On-screen text. I told him not to draw with the magic crayon.
4 to 10 seconds, the reveal visual. The child gasps and drops the crayon. The scribble on the paper glows. A small, poorly drawn monster made of red scribble lines pops off the page and onto the desk.
It shakes itself like a wet dog and lets out a tiny, squeaky roar.
Sound. A magical whoosh sound effect, followed by the cute, squeaky roar.
11 to 25 seconds. The misunderstanding, false threat. Visual. The monster takes a wobbly step towards the child's favorite toy car or doll. The child's eyes go wide with worry. The monster opens its scribbly mouth. Music. Tense.
Suspenseful music builds. On-screen text.
26 to 38 seconds. The twist. It's friendly.
Visual.
Instead of eating the toy, the scribble monster gently nudges it with its head, rolling it back to the child. It then sits down and wags its scribbly tail, looking hopeful.
Sound. The tense music cuts abruptly and switches to a happy, upbeat, and cute tune.
39 to 50 seconds, the friendship visual. The child laughs and picks up the toy. They roll it back to the monster. The monster playfully chases it. They play a quick game of fetch. The monster jumps joyfully. On-screen text. Maybe magic isn't so scary after all. 51 to 60 seconds, the resolution and call to action visual. The child holds out their hand. The scribble monster happily dissolves into a swirl of red sparkles and reforms as a friendly, stationary drawing on a new piece of paper, this time with a smiley face. Final text on screen. What should he draw next? Comment below. Audio. End with a final, happy, musical sting.